Hello everyone. I did have to go to Trader Joe's again today just to restock on some things that I was missing and I needed more of. Honestly, I just love filming these kinds of videos because I actually enjoy going to Trader Joe's. I try to go every week, and I know right now we're, trying to stay at home, so I've been making meals from home, like trying to do it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So if you guys enjoy these kinds of videos, let me know because they're honestly my favorite to film. I just want to be able to share with you guys everything that I got and all of my favorites and what I enjoy getting. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Yes, I do have my glass of wine here, and I actually picked up a bottle of wine from Trader Joe's. This is this one here, and I want to say it was like $3.99. So if you like red wine that's not very sweet, highly recommend this one. I thought it was really good. Okay, so the very first thing that I have is the white cheddar corn puffs. It is a pretty giant bag, and I picked this up just for like a movie night. They're really, really good. They're not the healthiest, but for a movie night, a treat yourself kind of night, highly recommend. They're really good. They also have the sour cream and onion ones that I have not tried, but I've heard really good things of. I can only speak for these because I've had these before. Next up, we have the spinach and kale Greek yogurt dip. So this one is like one of their reduced fat yogurt dips, 75% less fat, 60% less calories. So this is what it looks like right here. So 30 calories per serving, 2 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of sugar. So I've never had this. I don't know if I've ever seen this before, to be honest. So I don't know if it's new or if it's just been out there and I just haven't seen it. I did get this with the pita chips, parmesan and garlic and herb, and these are also like 50% less fat, so I thought I would try that with that for like a snack. And if you haven't tried the Trader Joe's cookie butter, I honestly don't know what you're doing, because this is something that you can only get at Trader Joe's, and it's honestly really, really tasty. Basically, the way they describe it is a delicious, unusual spread made with crushed biscuits. So it says you can spread it on pancakes, on waffles, peanut butter and cookie butter sandwiches, serve on ice cream, dip pretzels or celery. So honestly, this is pretty versatile, and I would recommend it because it's really good, even just like on toast or anything like that. It's really tasty. These I already opened because I just honestly could not help myself. So these are the rolled corn tortilla chips, chili and lime flavor. If you like Takis, and I know this is like a weird thing to say, but these are not nearly as spicy, and honestly they are way more flavorful in my opinion, but it kind of has that Takis like shape. I think they're better than Takis, way better than Takis, but I am warning you, if you do buy it, you'll probably eat the whole bag. Me and Kevin probably killed half the bag already, but they're so good. I also picked up some fresh meats. So I got this soy chorizo. So this I plan on making it with maybe some eggs and some potatoes for breakfast. You can do breakfast tacos with these. They taste very, very similar to regular chorizo, but way less fat. So let's see how much fat this has. So 8 grams of fat, 8 grams of carbs. So honestly, it's not terrible. And if you're vegan, gluten-free, this is definitely vegan and gluten-free friendly. Also got the extra lean ground beef, 96% lean, 4% fat ground beef. I'm probably honestly gonna make some spaghetti or something with this. I still haven't figured it out, but I did want to pick up some ground beef, and they have multiple different kinds of ground beef, and I think their prices are pretty great. I haven't tried the grass-fed one that they offer, but I think I'm gonna plan on picking that up soon. Also have the pollo asado auténtico. This one says thinly sliced chicken breast for pollo asado seasoned with authentic recipe. So this, I just plan on grilling it on the grill, and I bought tortillas, so I'm just probably gonna make some tacos and some guac and maybe some rice on the side. I've had this before and it's really good. This is something new that I haven't had a chance to try yet, but it's a pesto chicken breast, and I've never had it before, but I did look at the ingredients, and from the looks of it, it looks like it's pretty well seasoned. So I'm probably just gonna bake this in the oven and probably make it with pasta. Okay, and don't judge me. I know I showed these in my last haul, but these were honestly so good. We probably have like 5% left of the last bag. That's how good these were. The way that I would kind of describe them is probably like a Swedish Fish and a Sour Patch Kid, but more fruity. But that's the way I would describe this. We got another one because it was just that good. Organic pinto beans with sea salt. Never had these from Trader Joe's, but I always try to keep some of these just in case. I'm sure they're gonna be good. This is probably one of my favorite snacks from Trader Joe's. So this is the chili spiced mango. Almost every time that I go to Trader Joe's, I pick this up. It's really, really good. I honestly just wish that they didn't add any additional sugar, because they do add sugar, which kind of sucks, but it's still really tasty. Banana chips, so these are another thing that I like to snack on. Me and Kevin really like these, but they also add sugar. And actually this one's not that bad. This one's a 1 gram of added sugar, so total of 7 grams of sugar, which is probably just the regular sugar from the bananas. But they're really good to snack on. I love me some banana chips. Had these before. Roasted garlic marinara sauce. So this I just picked up with some pasta. I've had this before already, and all of their sauces that I've had from Trader Joe's are honestly really good. So got another one of these soups. So this is the organic tomato and roasted pepper soup. I picked this up on my last haul, and I made this with a grilled cheese. And I am not lying to you guys when I'm saying like this did not even taste like a soup that's in a box. Like I don't even know how to describe this, but better than like a Panera Bread soup, better than any other tomato soup that I've had. I don't know if it's just because of the way that they season it and like the roasted red pepper, but honestly it tastes so good with a grilled cheese for like this kind of cold weather. It's perfect. Get one of these. I got some avocados. So I just got a tiny little bag of avocados for avocado toast in the mornings. The pasta that I told you guys I got. The romaine hearts for like salads. I like to snack on these sugar snap peas, so we bought some of those also. And I don't think I've mentioned this to you guys yet, so I thought I would. So this is their rice cauliflower stir fry. If you guys are looking for an alternative for rice, this is a really great one. And I think what it comes with just makes everything just taste so much better. So this one says it's with green peas, red peppers, grilled corn, tamari, don't come at me for saying that wrong, spring onions, sesame oil, and ginger. And it's only 50 calories, 2 grams of fat, 7 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of dietary fiber. So that brings it down a little bit, and only 3 grams of sugar. So if you're looking for a rice replacement, but you don't want just plain old cauliflower rice, this is a really good alternative. I bought it several times. Also picked up some other veggies. So this, I didn't even realize I got the broccoli and cauliflower little combo. I usually just get the broccoli, but that's all they pretty much had, so that's all I picked up. I got some frozen Brussels sprouts. I thought this would be good to just keep in the freezer for when I'm making a meal that I decide I want to have some veggies on the side for. So I had that. Also picked up the organic green beans that are also frozen, just to have more veggies in the freezer, with some more frozen broccoli florets. Why is that word so hard for me to say? But anyways, these are frozen items, so I plan on keeping these in the freezer. This one's fresh, so I plan on eating first. Some baby spinach for pretty much anything that I can put spinach on. Spinach is great for you. Eat your spinach. And last but not least, I picked up this pizza. By the way, the other pizza was the pepperoni wood stone fired. I can't remember, but that one was really good. This one we've never had before. It's with Italian sausage, uncured pepperoni, roasted peppers, and roasted onions. So this one, the cashier was telling us this was like his second favorite pizza. So I'm pretty excited to try this, honestly. Kevin kind of decided on trying this one instead of going with the other one. I saw they had like a roasted veggies pizza too that I think I'm gonna get next time that I go, but the cashier did say that that was his favorite, and then it was this one for his top 2. So I'm looking forward for this. I'll let you guys know if I like it. I'm sure I'm gonna love it because it's pizza, and it's kind of hard to mess up pizza unless you get like DiGiorno, which we do not get DiGiorno. But anyways, I think that's honestly pretty much it. I think I pretty much went over everything, right? Yeah, I think I went over everything. Okay, and do not mind the ring light here. I have everything down here for you guys. I wanted it to be a little bit different than on my dining table like I did last time. But anyways, I was trying to make this video a little bit shorter just because I don't want to just blabber about random stuff like I'm blabbering right now. But I want to make it informative for you guys, and I want to like show you guys or let you guys know how I'm planning on using these things, and if I've had it before, if I haven't had it before, if it's new, things like that. So I just try to be informative, that's all. But if you guys enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really enjoy doing these videos for you guys, so I hope you guys follow me on my YouTube little journey over here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.